Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can make this jigsaw transition for your Valorant edits. We will make a normal version, like this, and the pop-up version of the jigsaw transition. At first, you can do this with a video in the background, like this, or like this. You can choose everything you want for the background. We will make it like this. Yes. All you have to do is choose your video or your footage or your picture as background and put it in the first layer. Then you have to look what clip you want to use for the jigsaw transition. We will go with this one. Now you choose the first frame of your knife pullout animation like this and cut your clip. Drag it to the end. Yes, this is good. Now we have this. Okay, now we need this picture, but without the user interface for the best result. You can achieve this when you go to a custom game, go to this position on your map, and switch between knife and gun pullout. And look if you can get a frame without any gun visible, like this. We will take this frame. This frame is good. Press R on your keyboard and select freeze frame. Now this frame is freezed for the whole length of your clip. Cut it at the end. Then we have this one. This is good. This is pretty good. Okay. Now we open this one in the Fusion page. And I think I should explain the basics first. When you add the merge node, you have 3 inputs. Yellow is for the background every time. Green is for the foreground. And blue, like here or here, is for masked. Masked mean rectangle mask or ellipse mask or spline, where you can choose what you want. And you have to make sure that the foreground, like the stairs or this wall, is in the foreground. And to achieve this, we have to make sure that our first part of the jigsaw transition is at the right, like this. We will work from the right side to the left side. Copy your media, like this. I think we take 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts for the jigsaw transition. Or let's make 5. So we need 5 media ins. 3, 4. And the 5th is here. Now we need 3 more merge nodes. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Everything on the right is the foreground. So this is the very foreground, this is the second foreground, this is the third foreground, and this one is the background, like the heaven. We can rename it. Press Fn and 2 on your keyboard, and let's name it stairs. Now we need the polygon node. You can connect effects easy to the node you want when you select the node and then click on the effect. Disable the polygon that the image is visible, and please take a bit time to make a good cut around the stairs. Like this. When you're not sure, when you have something like this, or I don't know, Something like these edges, just cut through it. It doesn't matter. It's not that important. We will make it like this, yes. Your polygon node, that it's, you have to make sure that your foreground cutout is pretty clean. In the background, it doesn't matter. I will show you why. But in the foreground, this is the first part visible. So this fades in first. So only this is visible. So the edges has to be clean. This looks pretty good. Perfect. Enable the polygon. And now we have this. Add a transform node for this one. And now repeat this for every part you want to fade in. Let's go to this one. Polygon disable. Now we go with the wall. This is not so important, these edges, because they're in the background. So I will show you when I finish this. This. Okay, we got it. When you enable this, you will see these edges are not visible because it's in the background. So you can mess up this. It doesn't matter because you can't see it. Important is that these edges are clean. I hope this is understandable for you. You can press Ctrl T to change the foreground and background mode. Let's make this one. We will go with this, and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is not important. This is not important. This is not important. Go to this. Already got this, 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 this. We got this, and this. Perfect. Wow, wow, wow. So good. We make 4 things. Okay. Go to this one, add the polygon node, disable it. And for the background, for the very, very background, you can do this. It's so easy. You can do this. It's not important. You can do this. Pretty easy. And now you have everything you need. But Sometimes the polygon is not polygoning. So we have to make it again. This. And now it's done. Now we have to make the animation. You can rename it, like transform. We will rename the transform as XF stairs. XF is the shortcut for transform node. XF right. XF left. And XF top. Way, oh, sheesh. XF right. Now we will start from the right side and then we will go to the left side. Okay. Keyframe, the beginning, everything. Your center, Y, and drag it down. Drag it down. To this. It's out of the screen, drag it down. Okay. Keyframe, the second one. Down. Keyframe. This one. Keyframe. Down. The last one. Keyframe. Down. Now we go with 240 frames. Divides by 60 frames. We will take 60 frames. And we will make the fadeout for this one, for the first one, to this. Just type in 0.5. For this one, 120. 0.5. For this one, 280. 0.5. And for the last one, go to the end, 0.5. Now we have something like this. But this is not good. This is not good. You will open the spline and show only selected tools, and now select everything you've got. Press in this empty space, Control A and S. For an easy animation of your splines, you can right click, make sure everything is selected, and go to ease and then out cubic, and you will get something like this. Is pretty good. And now we have to adjust the start frames a bit. So we go to the half of everything, like the second fade in of the right wall. The right wall, this one is our second fade in. The stairs first, and this will right. We go to the half, like the half. Select the XF right, and drag this little man to the right a bit. Perfect. This looks good. This looks good. Okay. Then we will select the XF left and go to, if you don't know where your keyframes are, select everything and make sure you make it between the start and the end frame of the first one or the second one. Go to this and adjust the left one to the middle of the keyframes. So you see, this is our second one, and this is our left one, and this is our first one. And the start frame of the second animation is in the middle from the first. And here is like the same. Now we will do this for everything. Why is this like this? It's not good. Ease out cubic. This looks good. We have this one here. Perfect. And now the last. The middle is here. 20. Perfect. Like this. And what the hell? Till this point. If you're not happy with the result, you can adjust it a bit to achieve more flow into this, because it would be pretty good when you can see the background like here. What you have to do is adjust the start frame a bit. Okay, it's visible here. This is not what we want. So this one is in the background. We can adjust the polygon from this a bit, like this, to avoid this background. Then we have something like this. Perfect. This looks good. I really recommend that you spend more time for your rotoscoping than me. Please make sure that you have a clean cut with your polygon everywhere. But just these are just the basics. When you want to avoid this, you can zoom in a bit. Now your gun is away and you have only a jigsaw transition. Pretty clean, pretty clean. This is pretty good. When you want this pop-out animation, remove your transform nodes and add a background node to the background. And all your medias to the foreground in a row. Like this is our foreground background. And this is our really foreground, this one. Add the background, and when you click on this arrow, you can make it like this. Go to your first merge node, and wait, we have 4, so we want 60. On frame 60, set a keyframe to blend 1.0, go 1 to the left and drag it to 0. Then we have this. Okay, frame 120. Set the frame to keyframe to 1. Go 1 to the left, make it 0. The other one, 180. Keyframe it 100 to 0. And to the last, keyframe 1 to the left, 0. And that's it. That's it. The sound effect I use for this one is the Ozu click sound effect. Show you, it's this one. You can go to you can press M on your keyboard to set marker, but I prefer to do it like this. Easy. That's it. I hope it was understandable for you. Have a good one and see you later.